Hey guys, welcome back to the Red Knight channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I have some very cool things out of the office today. And back when The Mandalorian started up, I was a very big fan of the show, and basically everybody had to craze Baby Yoda, the child. But anyways guys, I forgot that I actually ordered the child pop. So here it is guys. I barely picked it up today. As soon as I got the phone call, I was like, I'm gonna be there in 5 minutes. And so I wanted to kind of show it off to you real quick. Now he is 368. Very cool. The detail is really cool. And here's some of the other characters you can get that are on the back. Now I am going to try and see if I can try to locate this series, the whole series. But I was very happy with this. Now, today was like a treasure trove, I guess you could say, like going into the GameStop, because I haven't been in there since this whole coronavirus broke out. And so I was very happy to go in there and see other things that came out too, that I was lucky to pick up today also. And we're going to do one unboxing of a very big item inside my office today. So not only did I get the child, I also came across the Mandalorian. And so I have the Mandalorian inside of the box. I'm going to show y'all, I'm going to give y'all a closer look of the Mandalorian. But this is it also comes with a t-shirt. It has an actual stand that goes with it. But it was the only one in the store. So I was like, you know what, I got to pick up the Mando if he's going to have the child with him. So here it is right now. Now, what really is crazy about this one is I don't know if I'm going to fit inside of the t-shirt. But am I going to keep it in the box? I think for the time being, as right now, I am going to keep it inside of the box as much as I'm going to keep the child in the box, just until I know how rare these are going to be, or because I ain't gonna lie, I was like very lucky to find this one on the shelf. It was the only one they had. And then also for the child, you have to pre-order in order to receive it. So I feel real lucky to have these two in my office, and for right now I think we're just going to keep them in the box. But I wanted to show y'all that I got the Mandalorian and I got the child, and they became part of the new Red Knight edition to the office. Very happy with the way they look and how they're going to be sitting on the back of my shelf. It's going to be very cool, man, to have this on hand. Now guys, for the big thing. And so with that being said guys, of course I was blown away when I saw this inside of the GameStop. And I had to have it. You know, as soon as I saw it, I told them, you know, where did it come from? How many do you have on hand? And I had to have it. And so today, guys, I bring to y'all the biggest Funko Pop known right now in circulation. I think this is the biggest. I don't know if they're gonna make bigger ones. Maybe there is a bigger one, but that I know of, this is the biggest I've ever seen. And it's of the man himself, my hero, Batman. Guys, this thing is a monster. It is heavy, and we're gonna do the unboxing today. We're gonna unbox this thing just to kind of check it out, guys. I'm very excited to have this on my back shelf. This is gonna be so cool to display on the back shelf, guys, and it's Batman. Now for this, guys, I did pay a pretty penny for this, about $100. This Funko Pop ran me $100. Very, very expensive, but very freaking worth it. I'm a huge fan of Batman, so this has to become part of my permanent collection. You can pick them up. I think they're going to sell them at Walmart. I don't think this is going to go in like limited edition, but this was the only one they had in GameStop at the time, and they barely put it out. As soon as they put it out, I saw it and I had to have it. Of course, being $99, we're about to see the quality and check out exactly how awesome this figure really is. Also, I'm going to show you the inside of the box, how it looks. Check this out. Look at that. That is awesome. Can't wait to get him out of the box. Let's get him out. So this thing is freaking heavy. If you could tell, guys, it's a pop. It's an actual pop. I mean, it's made with the same material. It does have a lot of weight to it. So for the most part, y'all, you can actually style this guy. But look at that. 80th anniversary Batman pop. It's an 18-inch and 46 centimeters. And it's made with the exact same material as the regular pops. And it has weight to it. It looks really, really awesome. And this guy's gonna go right in the back. Alright guys, so thank you so much for tuning in today to the Red Knight channel. I'm so happy to bring this to y'all. Hopefully you can go and pick up these items for yourselves, guys. The 80th anniversary Batman pop, and also the Mandalorian and the Child pop. Guys, it's going to make a great addition to the office. I'm so happy to bring this to you today, and we'll check y'all on the next video, guys. Tune in next time. Peace.